Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily Reproductive Healthcare. On a topic that's important for every man's overall health and well-being, sperm count. Did you know that your sperm count plays a huge role in your energy, mood, and vitality? A decrease in sperm count can affect much more than just fertility. Stick around, and I'll walk you through the reasons why sperm count might decrease, and what you can do to boost it naturally. First off, let's understand why sperm count is so important. Healthy sperm levels are not only key for reproduction but also for overall energy and even mental clarity. But when sperm count drops, it can have a negative impact on your personal life, relationships, and even your confidence. So, what causes sperm count to drop? Let's break it down. Reason 1: poor sleep habits. Your body needs quality sleep to function at its best, and that includes sperm production. Inadequate or poor quality sleep can lead to hormonal imbalances, including a drop in testosterone, which is crucial for sperm production. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of restful sleep each night. Reason 2: eating habits. What you eat plays a major role in sperm health. A diet lacking essential nutrients like zinc, folate, and antioxidants can lead to lower sperm count. Foods like leafy greens, nuts, seeds, and fish rich in omega-3s are all excellent for boosting sperm health. Avoid processed foods, as they can increase inflammation and harm your fertility. Reason 3: excessive masturbation. Masturbation is a natural activity, but too much of it can affect your sperm count. Overdoing it can lead to a temporary decrease in sperm quality and motility. While it's okay to indulge in moderation, balance is key for maintaining healthy sperm levels. Reason 4: drugs and smoking. Smoking and substance abuse are two of the biggest culprits when it comes to decreasing sperm count. Cigarettes contain toxins that directly damage sperm, while drugs like marijuana and alcohol can also interfere with hormonal levels and fertility. If you're serious about your sperm health, cutting back on these habits can make a world of difference. So, what can you do about it? Here are a few simple, actionable tips to help boost your sperm count and overall vitality. Get enough sleep, 7 to 8 hours each night. Eat a nutrient-rich diet with plenty of zinc, folate, and antioxidants. Practice moderation with masturbation to avoid affecting sperm quality. Cut down on smoking and drugs, your sperm health will thank you. Taking care of your sperm health isn't just about fertility, it's about living your best life. Small lifestyle changes can go a long way in helping you feel better, more energized, and more confident. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Daily Reproductive Healthcare for more tips on hormonal health. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.